Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today we are back on the channel finally. I know it has been a minute since I've posted here, but I've honestly just been super busy with building the business and other things like that, family stuff, with the holidays. So, my main focus wasn't here on the channel, but now we're back with some content. And today, what I want to do for you guys is we're going to do a little on-feet unboxing for the Chase Speed Jumpman jack. Actually, a really nice pair that I want to show you guys, because not only does the box glow in the dark, but the soles do as well, and you got some cool details on these. So just want to give you all a little bit of, an on-feet view, show y'all what they look like. It's already getting a little bit dark outside, so I was going to go outside and get some better lighting, so we're just going to have to use the lighting that we have here. So hopefully it's decent, showing at least what this pair more or less looks like. You got some nice details, so we'll show everything in hand with these first, and then we'll go from there, see what we can do. We also got some unique insoles, things like that, so I'm gonna show everything with these, the extra laces, etc. So hope you guys will enjoy. If you guys do want more sneaker content like this, then go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Sorry, I'm right now organizing the shoe. I'll just let the laces hang, but yeah, you got some cool details on these. I'm actually pretty excited to get into this review and put these on. I've literally been having these sitting in my room for 2 days, have not put them on yet because I've been waiting to make this video. So now we're back making this video, so I hope you guys will enjoy. If you have any questions, anything like that, let me know down below in the comments. Make sure y'all check out the Whatnot Lives down below. That's been where we've been again lately, so pretty much every day we've been there, packing, getting orders out, handling pickups in the morning. So it's been a very busy thing there, so that's where we've been at, if y'all are curious. So feel free to check us out there, show some love. Usually it's been a little bit rough lately, but hey, it was pretty good the last few days, so no complaints. Y'all helped me out, so pretty excited about that. And yeah, we'll be back on there tonight even, so hope y'all will enjoy, and let's review the Chase Speed Jumpman jacks. Alright, so I'm actually going to take y'all down here with me right now. So taking a look at the Chase Speed Jumpman jack, as you guys can see, very, very clean sneaker in hand. I like the details that we honestly have on these. Like the glow-in-the-dark sole, right, is a cool extra detail that you have. Like you can kind of tell just from like how it looks right here that these do glow in the dark. But look at that. That's really, really nice. I think the green, the kind of lime green and black color scheme is something really, really nice that they decided to go with. Y'all can see all the extra laces that we have on this shoe as well. Kind of that black threaded one. Yeah, it's a black threaded colorway, black and white. Then we have all white ones and then pink ones. I think the pink ones actually could look pretty good with these, but I haven't even, again, we're going to put them on in this video and we'll just kind of figure out which ones go with them best. I think, yeah, pink though is probably a solid choice. So we'll see. I'm just going to keep these for the collection. So I'm really excited about that. Thank y'all for the support. You guys can see it also says here, Chase B on the bottom of this one. So another pretty nice detail that we have. And if anybody's looking for these, we'll have more pairs of these soon, so just stay tuned. You guys can see, excuse me, the embroidered Travis Scott logo on the back right there, along with, again, same thing right there, that kind of Cactus Jack logo on the heel right there. And not only do you have those details, so another thing we have, let me move this over so you guys can see the box. There we go, that's the box, as you guys can see. Then unique insoles right there. You guys can see it says Jack right there, and kind of like a pinkish font. Here, I'm gonna try and get a bit closer here and show you all this. Maybe y'all can see that. So it says Jack and the insoles right there in a pinkish font. It's not really fully showing because the laces are blocking it, but that's what it says. Then you also have the Jordan logo right there with kind of like, sorry, that didn't make any sense, but kind of like that Travis Scott influence on it. You know what I mean? See what they got going on there? The three little threads above it right there. So that's another influence that we have on the shoe. And then of course, let me just take that, do this, move these back here, and again, y'all can see that's on both pairs. But not just that, you guys can also see we have something on the Velcro strap right there, which I believe is kind of like a suede material. So, or no, it's more or less a leather, as you guys can see. So good choice. You guys see the dots on it, and then of course they put this in all the Jumpman jacks, kind of the X's or threads that we have here. Hopefully this will actually fit. There you go. And you guys can see again the top of the toe box right there. Very, very nice details right there. Kind of a black and white look. I'm actually a big fan of that. I think they did a good job with that. Sometimes they be messing up the toe box, but we'll put these on feet and we'll actually see. Hopefully they fit nicely. I think that's one of the main things. Y'all can also see the unique insoles on that one right there. A little bit more details right there. You guys can see again. And you actually have a Jordan logo in the center of this one. Let me not knock this over. Looks like I was about to do that, but yeah, you have more details on this one, so I thought that was another really cool detail. Some unique insoles on this pair. And again, the soles are different on both. So you can see it says Jack on this one, and then you go to this one, it says Chase B. So I thought that was pretty cool. And again, probably a really nice pair on feet. You guys can see it also says T-Rex on the box. So that's really what you got when you look at these up close. But now we're going to take a look at these. We're going to put them on feet, see if this is a nice pair to add to the collection, which I think a pretty simple answer is yes, man. This is a banger pair to add to the collection. So we're going to do that right now. We're going to see what happens. And yeah, hope you guys will enjoy. So look at that, man. Just clean shoe. So big fan of these. And yeah, let's do that on the unboxing. Let's see what they look like. And oh, sorry, thought that was about to not focus right there. Sorry, y'all. Hopefully my camera mic is working good. It's been acting up in me all video, and sorry if my hair looks crazy. I literally got up from, I've been like napping all day, so I'm just trying to get back, being productive today. I'm gonna pack a ton of stuff after this, so again, sorry if I look a little, how do I put this, like I just got up. But let's unbox this sneaker. Hope you guys will enjoy, and let's just show what they look like on feet. I don't want to talk about it for too much longer, so hey, let's just get it done. Nice pair for real. And yeah, you guys can see laced up, these actually look pretty nice. Like, I'm a fan of these. It's a good sneaker to wear around. And yeah, I like that it's comfortable. I was a little bit concerned that like when I got my size, I was like, should I size up, size down? I've had Jumpman jacks before. I usually just get my normal size. So I'm glad that these weren't giving me any issues on the sizing, and just was an easy shoe to slide on feet. And yeah, really easy to take off as well. So I'm just going to keep them laced as is. I know it's a little bit weird, but you know, it works for me. They're comfy. I'm not really too picky about it. And I want to show y'all, right, because I think a lot of people forget, is that this shoe actually glows in the dark. I don't know if this will show it all on camera. Maybe. Let's see. But maybe y'all can see it glowing a little bit. I don't know. I need it to be a little bit darker, right, for it to work for me. But yeah, maybe y'all can see it. You see how light, like, just kind of gets a little bit brighter? I think that was kind of a cool detail, because you'll go back out here, right, and check this out. You can see much lighter, so it actually does glow in the dark a little bit. Let me see if I can get better lighting. Hold up. Maybe you can see what I'm talking about right now, though. I mean, it glows in the dark, so thought that was a pretty cool detail about the shoe. Really can't see anything else about it, but you go to the soles and everything else, you notice that, so pretty sick. But yeah, clean, comfy shoe on feet. I got no complaints. I think they look nice. I wanted to do like some solid B-roll shots for these, but like I just really honest, it's like dark outside almost, because you know, I mean, daylight savings. So yeah, we'll see what we can do. I'm gonna see if I got any space right here. Give me a bit. We'll try and get some B-roll shots going. If not, hopefully just the view I gave y'all works. It's one of them. As y'all see, that glow in the dark feature though is really nice. The same thing, the box also glows in the dark, so don't forget about that. All right, so I've just been kind of out and about with these. I've been wearing them a little bit, not too much though, I'm not gonna lie. If I'm being honest with you guys, haven't been wearing them too much, but you guys can see kind of, again, how everything else looks. The soles, you know, holding up pretty nicely. You can see I really haven't worn them too much though. I mean, look, barely anywhere. So those are still pretty clean. I can set this up in a second and give y'all a little bit of a better view and show y'all everything with it, but I mean, yeah, just a really clean pair. You can see just kind of a simple look on feet. I'm just wearing like some black shorts with them, you know. Everything matches together, so I think that's probably the best thing about it. If I'm being honest, you can see everything else, all the small little details, right? But yeah, I wish it was like, how could I put this? You know what I mean? I wish it was like more sunny out, you know, because it's just like, not everything, it looks darker, you know. But these still glow in the dark, so I mean, you can kind of tell, I guess, a little bit, you know, but yeah, not bad. Here's everything else with the shoe. I don't know if it's gonna show, but there you go. All the other small details on them, they kind of like make it a little bit better. There you go. That's really it. And yeah, I guess which one here? Let me show y'all this. I was trying to show y'all this earlier in the video, but you can see one of the insoles says Chase B. Other one says Jack. And then there you go. Both unique. So I thought that was pretty cool. Nice and simple. Clean details. Man. And they're comfy. Can't go wrong with that. So for me, I like them. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video today. I'm just forgot to record the outro, so I'm pretty much done editing the video, just recording this part now. So we just discussed these, the Jumpman jacks. Look at these, man, beautiful sneaker. I mean, y'all can see like in the dark, or like when you get in a little bit of a darker environment, they kind of like glow a bit. And that just a cool sneaker, looks good. Again, I'm not even like a massive fan of Jumpman jacks, but these right here, I was like, okay, these are nice. And they're fairly limited. A good looking shoe. I'm not sure if I can flip the camera. Okay, I can't, but yeah, they're nice, man. So that's what I can say again about the Chase B Jumpman jacks. If y'all like this video right here, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. We'll be back in the professional camera tomorrow. I know we were on it a bit in today's video, but yeah, now I'm just like on my phone because I forgot to record the outro. So yeah, y'all can subscribe and like for more. If you want more content like this, the normal goal again is 300 likes. Y'all can check my Whatnot lives down below, or anything else y'all are interested in. Just let me know. You can check my Instagrams, website. All that is down below in the description. Y'all can check out any of that if y'all want to. Or if you have questions about the sneaker, comfort, anything like that, just let me know. A couple things I can tell you is that they are comfortable and, well, it's a good sneaker to add to the collection because they got unique details all throughout them. You can see Jack right here on this one. And then aside from the pink extra laces, the white extra laces, and I think the black extra laces, and, well, you got these ones too. You can see you got some unique details all throughout the shoe. Boom. Another one right there. So don't sleep on this sneaker, and make sure you guys are checking out everything down below. We've been grinding on the Whatnot page lately, so I appreciate everyone who's tuned in there and has been showing love. So don't sleep on that, guys. And yeah, that's it. Appreciate everyone who's been tuning in recently. I will catch y'all tomorrow on the next one, and do not sleep. We got videos coming how can I say this? We're gonna have more videos this week. Maybe I'm gonna try and shoot for a video every day this week, but we'll see how often I can get one out. All right, that's it. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.